So after that, it is the time to tell you about accounting circle. What is accounting circle? So the whole process of accounting is called accounting circle. So the next definition is a circle which record the transaction completing and repeating the whole transaction. So what is the whole system of accounting? How should we know this account is became the circle of accounting? How does a person know about accounting circle? What is accounting circle? We know about definition. I just told you the definition. The transaction start. After that, we will make a documentation. In documentation, there's only thing Victoria and Bell. So after that, the second one is recording. We have to record what we get, what we sell, whatever we done. We have to record it. In record section, we have cash book and journal book. So after that, we will have to classifying. What is classifying? We just learned what is classifying. So classifying, and there classifying, there's only thing with classifying that remain. It is ledger. Ledger is a book which classifying the transaction. So after classifying, the next step, which is the fourth step, it is trial balance. So what is after that trial balance? It is adjusting entry system. Like in this system, it will tells you did you had a good start from the startation until now? Do you have any mistake? Do you have any problem? So in this step, we'll make everything the same, credit and debit all the same. So after that, it is adjusting trial balance. We make trial balance the same. So after that, it is financial statement, and in their financial statement there are three most important things, that is that divided in three parts: income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. So after that, it became closing entry, which is done. This circle, there's all circles called accounting circle. So before that, we're going to learn about next lesson. So first we will know about what is adjusting entry. Adjusting entry, I just told you what was that, and it divided in four parts. So the first part is outstanding expense, the second part is outstanding revenue, and the third one is prepaid revenue, and the fourth one is prepaid expense. So what is outstanding expense? Outstanding expense, it is like you do something for your boss for 1 month, but he didn't like give you your salary. That's called outstanding expense. So outstanding revenue, what is outstanding revenue? Outstanding revenue, like you earn money, like you work for over 3 years with your boss. He doesn't pay you anything, but he like today he just sends you all of your money that you just work for 3 years in your bank, but you didn't get it in your hands, like you didn't get it in cash. So that is outstanding revenue. After that, it is prepaid expense. What is prepaid expense? So prepaid expense is like somebody gives you, like you go to course, in educational centers, and this example is so common, like you go to an educational center. So in there you just see that management or the manager take your money. After taking your money, he will give that money to your teacher. So you pays the cash, you pay the money, but you didn't get the benefit of, like the teachers didn't even start the lesson to you, but before that you give your all money to the manager or teacher. So after that, outstanding revenue. What is outstanding revenue? Outstanding revenue is also like same, but before the work done, you get all the cash. So the first one, which was outstanding expense with prepaid revenue, you became a creditor. Second, which was outstanding revenue with prepaid expense, people will become creditor from you. So that was our today's lesson. If you have any question, comment below. I will give you the full answer, inshallah. So I hope you enjoy my lesson. Thank you very much. See you on next video.